Chapter 05 Kural 04. Welcome back to our enlightening journey through Thirukkural, the ancient Tamil literary masterpiece. In this episode, Chapter 5, in Kural 4, one who earns well but avoids the blame of hoarding wealth, by philanthropy, will lead a complete life with no complaints. Greetings to all our viewers. Today, we explore Chapter 5, which sheds light on the essence of leading a complete and fulfilling life through philanthropy and responsible wealth management. Join us as we unravel the profound teachings of Thirukkural on the virtues of giving and avoiding excessive accumulation. Chapter 5 of Thirukkural teaches us the importance of balancing earning well and responsibly managing wealth. Thirukkural reminds us that true fulfillment is achieved not by hoarding wealth but by engaging in philanthropy and giving back to society. Let us delve into the profound teachings of this Kural and understand the essence of leading a complete life through philanthropy and responsible wealth management as envisioned by Thirukkural. Thirukkural emphasizes that earning wealth is not inherently negative, but hoarding wealth without purpose can lead to discontentment. Instead, he encourages us to practice philanthropy, sharing our resources with those in need and contributing to the betterment of society. Thirukkural's teachings remind us that leading a complete life involves transcending personal gain and embracing the joy of giving. By using our wealth to uplift others, we experience a sense of fulfillment that cannot be attained through mere accumulation. Thirukkural teaches us that philanthropy enables us to make a positive difference in the lives of others. Whether it's supporting educational initiatives, providing healthcare, or helping the less fortunate, our acts of generosity contribute to a more compassionate and equitable society. Thirukkural's wisdom teaches us that a complete life is not measured solely by personal wealth but by the impact we create through our philanthropic endeavors. By giving back, we not only uplift others but also find inner contentment and a life free from complaints. As we reflect on Chapter 5, Kural 4, we are reminded of the profound significance of philanthropy and responsible wealth management. Thirukkural's teachings guide us to earn well but also to share our blessings, leading a complete and fulfilling life with no complaints. The host is surrounded by images representing philanthropy and giving. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through Thirukkural. May the teachings of this ancient text inspire us to cultivate a spirit of philanthropy, responsibly manage our wealth, and lead lives filled with compassion, contentment, and generosity. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes as we unravel the timeless teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may your acts of philanthropy and responsible wealth management bring joy and fulfillment to your life and the lives of others.